smoke in!
Well, just button it up and we'll tow it on! Let's go! Hey! Hang up! Wait up! Stop that truck! Yes, they are. Hang on. Terrible. You're gonna feel that when you wake up.
Hey! Put your weapon down! You got the barrel pointed right at her head!
They have Zia. They're loading out.
They already have the dinosaurs. Why do they need us?
They needed the tracking system to capture Blue.
There she is. You don't look good.
We need to get on that boat. The rock's good. We're safe on the rock.
Is the boat or the lava, Franklin?
All right, boat's good. I'm all about the boat.
Get on the boat! Get on the boat now! Go!
Franklin!
Hey! Get that truck going! You okay?
Am I dead?
Not yet, kid!
Hold on!